In this question we have a uniform rope of length L and mass M, and it is placed on a smooth fixed wedge as can be seen in the figure. Both ends of the rope are at same horizontal level. Their horizontal level in both sides are equal. The rope is initially released from rest. It was initially at rest. Now we need to find the magnitude of initial acceleration. As the rope ends are in same horizontal level, let us assume the height of the peak from this horizontal level to be h. This angle is alpha, this angle is beta. So this portion of the length of the rope is h cosec alpha, and this portion of the length of the rope is h cosec beta. Because of these portions of the length, it experiences a force in this particular direction. If we consider lambda to be mass per unit length of the rope, then the mass of this portion is lambda h cosec alpha, and the mass of other portion is lambda h cosec beta. So it experiences a vertical, down the incline experiences a force lambda h cosec alpha. This is mass into g sin alpha, and here this portion experiences a force lambda h cosec beta. This is mass into g sin beta. So here it can be seen cosec alpha into sin alpha is 1, so it is lambda hg, and this is also lambda hg. As the rope experiences equal force from both sides, net force on it is 0, so net acceleration of the rope is 0, and the correct option is A.